Hi, I'm Caroline Cresp. I'm the Managing Director at Straight Group. Because you missed out on the show, we'd just like to show you quickly around all of the vehicles that we have here on display, so please join us for a tour.
Today we have the ATV-CANAM, which is a 900cc, 195 horsepower Rotax Ace engine. It also has TTX suspension, ballistic protected level 2, level B4. It is a 3-seat carrier with a driver, co-pilot and a gunner.
Here we're standing in front of the BOZENA made by Straight Group. As you can see, it's designed for demining purposes to clear all sorts of mines and IEDs. The main clearance is happening here at the front with that rotating device and the chains, which will get the mines out of the ground, make them explode. The shield here in the back protects the main device in the back from any sort of damage. That shield can be replaced at any given time if needed. So I think that's one of the key features of the BOZENA, that even if there's a mine which explodes, the main vehicle in the back is fully protected from any sort of damage, and you can use it again and again and again. The BOZENA is remote controlled, so you can operate it from a distance to keep your people safe and secure. And due to its resistance for any sort of anti-tank mines, it will survive an impact to up to 9 tons of TNT. The BOZENA can work in any area with a high threat contamination. It's very agile, very light, so you can operate it in all sorts of terrains, in mountains, in forests, plantations, in the desert, wherever mines need to be cleared.
Today I have with you the checkpoint. This cabin is fully armored with B6 Stanak 1, or it can be even upgraded to Stanak 2. Additional, we can have retrofitted with different type of systems and integrations, such as open turret or closed turret, or control remote weapon station. At the same time, we can have integrated with communications, and this it could be stationary or even mobile. These checkpoints, it can be used for roads, for embassies entrances, for highways controls, and even for riot control operations in the middle of the street.
And here we have our Cobra 2. The Cobra 2 is a 3-door APC, perfect for inner city use, border controls. It's an 8-man carrier. We have an optional turret. We can armor this up to Stanak 1 level, either 4.5, 4.6 or a 5.6 litre engine.
This is our CONDOR-MRAP, a mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle. This was just unveiled at this Idex a few days ago. This is an 8.9 litre diesel Cummins engine, 400 horsepower with a top speed of 100 kilometers an hour. It is Stanak level 2, but can be upgraded to Stanak level 3 as well. There are many configurations that we can do as well.
This is one of our reliable, robust, economical vehicles, the Cougar. We can either use a 4 litre or 4.5 litre engine, very reliable. This is an 8-man carrier, an optional turret.
Here we're standing in front of the LOADALL by Straight Group. As you can see, it has this massive shield in front, which is 7 meters in width and almost 4 meters high. Very high in demand for police forces around the world who are using it for riot control. The shield you can move out and in, and when it's fully extended, you can block off entire roads or entire streets to take care that demonstrators are not passing by. It's a perfect vehicle. You can also put 2 or 3 next to each other to really block massively wide streets, and it's the perfect vehicle for riot control. And here we are in front of the LOADALL. As you can see, the glass of the driver cabin is a B6 fully armored to protect the law enforcement officer while it's doing his job. On the back of the big shield, as you can see, on top you can fit a water cannon, so the police or law enforcement forces can control the protesters from the front. In cases you do not need it for riot control, etc., you can just dismount the shield and use the vehicle for any logistic type of purposes. Anything you like that's possible with the LOADALL. Very multi-purpose, user-friendly.
Straight Group introduces you to the new MRAP. It's the mine-resistant ambush vehicle called the DHABI. The DHABI is based on a 6.7 litre engine, Cummins engine with an Allison transmission with a 360 horsepower. This is a 10-man carrier but can be also used for various other applications like the carrying of equipment and ambulance conversions.
I want to present you our newly developed MRAP. It's called NISR. It's based on 8.9 litre engine, 450 horsepower. It's an MRAP, V-hull shape. It's really a new beauty, which you can see, and it's tested already. It's very good. So it can be STANAG 3 and it can be upgraded to STANAG 4.
This is the FAZAA-PLUS. This is one of the new products added to the straight group fleet. The FAZAA-PLUS is an unarmored, amphibious, tracked vehicle. It is 6-speed, 300 horsepower, turbo diesel. It is brilliant for the carrying of personnel. We can hold up to 22 persons, or you can house equipment and any other technology within the back of the vehicle. The perfect amphibious vehicle within our fleet, unarmored, perfect 20-man carrier.
This is a PYTHON-SUT, a light armored vehicle powered by 4.5 turbo diesel engine. The vehicle is reaching maximum speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour. It can comfortably seat up to 4 or 5 crew members and has a dedicated space for cargo at the rear side of the vehicle. The ballistic protection of this vehicle is STANAG 1 or STANAG 2 level.
Today we have the Ural Rider. This is a unarmored motorbike. It is a 749cc 2-cylinder 4-stroke. It is a 3-seater with a driver, co-driver, as well as a gunman and partner. You can also have a weapon mounted as well, with a top speed of 120 kilometers an hour, and it can handle all terrains, most terrains.
And here we have the straight group Salamander, the armored fighting vehicle. The Salamander is based on the 6.7 litre engine. Salamander is a 10-man carrier, the perfect 8x8 amphibious vehicle and part of the straight group fleet. Salamander is armored to STANAG 2 protection level. The Salamander can be upgraded to STANAG 3 purely by adding ballistic panels to the sides and roof of the vehicle.
Today I have the pride to introduce you the Shaman. Shaman is a 350 Newton-meters torque all-terrain vehicle with 8 wheels that they can be all-terrain for any type of missions, humanitarian and even for military applications. Shaman actually, it comes with a different type of layouts. It could be, for example, for medic, ambulance, rescue, or even for a transport vehicle.
Thank you. And here we have the straight group tried and tested Scorpion. The Scorpion is our famous MRAP, the mine-resistant ambush vehicle. This is based on an 8.9 litre engine, Cummins engine, Allison transmission. It's got the V-hull shaped hull, obviously for mine deflection, armored up to STANAG 4 protection level. The glass thickness for STANAG 4 is 200 millimeters thick. We manufacture all our own glass. This is a 10-man carrier. All the subsystems can be added to the vehicle. Various weapon control systems, surveillance and jamming systems as well.
Sherp is a 4x4 or even a 10x10 all-terrain amphibious vehicle. This vehicle, it's one of the revolutionary vehicles that actually can be used for any humanitarian or any search and rescue missions. It can be on any type of terrain, water, sand, swamps, or any other terrain. The low pressure heavy duty tires, they can actually lower, and the CTIS is actually lower to actually get more grip on any type of terrain. The Sherp actually is a very versatile vehicle that it have an autonomy like almost for 1,000 kilometers and actually for 350 liters fuel tank. Sherp right now is coming with a new design. One of these highlights for the design is a little bit bigger than the previous Sherp, and obviously comes with a 6 passenger layout or even if you please want to see it, up to 10 by 10 terrain tires with up to 15 people inside the crew.
This is Spartan-2, it's Tenec level 2. This vehicle is actually for the crowd control. If you look at the roof, so you will see a sound cannon on the roof, and then you can see there is a lasers as well, and you have the smoke launchers, so which can be used to control the crowd in the unrest situation in any country. So this vehicle is being used by paramilitary forces as well, and the police.
This is the Storm MPV. It's an armored personnel carrier. It's amphibious and electrical. It runs on 3 electrical engines, 2 for the tracks, left side and right side, and 1 for the jet engine. It can reach speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour and 30 on land and 30 kilometers per hour in water, and has a reverse speed of 20 kilometers per hour. It has 2 rubber tracks. It has a silent mode. It's an all-terrain vehicle, so it can run on sand, on snow, rocky areas. It's an all-terrain. It has great maneuverability, and the angular shape of the vehicle allows for optimal ballistic protection.
This is another newly developed model by us. This is 6.7 liter engine, and this is called Spartan-SUT. This is basically, we have newly designed the V-hull shape on this, which was highly demanded, and you can see that it has got V-hull on this, and at the back side you can see it's a pickup truck. It can be used for cargo area. So basically this SUT APC can be used for multi-purpose vehicles as well.
Here we're standing in front of the Toyota Land Cruiser 79 long-range tactical vehicle, which is armored to a B6 level, and where the end user requested to remove the roof for a faster response action time. The highlight of the car is the 360-degree gun stand in the back and the additional fuel tank, which adds to the 180 liters which are already in the car, another 300, which extends the range of the car by 3-4 times over what it is originally.
And here we have the straight group armored Toyota Land Cruiser 79. This vehicle is based on either a 4-litre petrol or a 4.5-litre turbo diesel engine. This is state-of-the-art, tried and tested once again. The Land Cruiser is practical and yet cost-effective and easy to maintain. This vehicle is armored to B6 protection levels, so you have your 40mm ballistic glass all round, all manufactured by Straight Group. The vehicle can be fitted with a turret. It has a roll cage, perfect for the transporting of crew into the battlefield.
Behind me is the troop carrier made by Straight Group. It comes with a Mercedes-Benz 12-liter V6 engine, turbocharged. In the back of the troop carrier you can fit up to 20 people. The good thing about the car is that the body of it has a double skin, so the passengers in the back will benefit from its enhanced insulation and isolation and better heat protection. As you can see, it comes with a dozer blade in the front to drive through and remove barricades and other obstacles. It's very modular, so you can use it as a riot control vehicle. There are folded blades in the front, which you can use to withhold the crowd in narrow areas. And even the back is completely modular, so you can use it either as a troop carrier or as a command and control center. There are also options that you can use it as a surveillance point and video from the top. It has cameras already integrated in the front and in the back. You can also use it as an ambulance or as a clinic, and if the client wants, we can even fit the water cannon on top of it. So that all depends on what the user wants. Everything is possible, and it comes standard with Standard 1 armoring.
VARAN 6x6 is a tactical armored vehicle with advanced ballistic and blast protection, ensuring crew survivability in the modern-day battlefield. VARAN can be used as a platoon-strength troop carrier with 8 dismounts, as well as a commander and driver. It can also be configured as a command and control platform. Standard Level 4 armoring means that the VARAN can protect against mine strikes and IED blasts. It can be fitted with ceramic or composite plates for even greater protection.
I'd like to introduce you to our landing craft 1040. This tactical high-speed craft is made with a HDPE hull and an aluminium cabin with Stanek 1 protection. We run 2 Mercury 300s off the back with a top speed of 42 knots. This is a fast interception boat with high maneuverable capabilities.
Here we have Airboat 950. This Airboat 950 with a fully armored cabin to stage 1. This boat is capable to carry 1 crew and 4 passengers.
What we have here is our PB850. This is our HDPE patrol boat. This hull is equipped with Stanek level 1 bolt-on armoring. It is capable of running a single or triple engine, be it in diesel or petrol, and it can have a crew configuration of up to 12 people on it.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. It's a shame that we couldn't see you. We hope to see you at the next edition. Stay tuned for more information. Thank you so much.